TNT. What are these called, buddy?
Morning Glory.
Morning Glory firecrackers. This is a sample of what we're gonna have on the actual 4th of July, right, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna light these things right here. Morning Glory sparklers. These are safe for kids, by the way, so he'll be able to play with these. Also, we got some amazing fountain thing. I don't know what the heck these things do, but we got some of them right here. Then I went and bought a nice old long extended lighter, so our hands don't have to get too close to that thing. So, and also we got some nice, beautiful funnel cake right here. You know, go ahead and take a look at that right there. That thing is beautiful, isn't it? And there's some beautiful funnel cake right there. Eating a piece of the sugar right there. How does that sugar taste? Wonderful. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing started right here with these Morning Glory fireworks. Alright, let's see what we got here. What is it doing? Oh, nothing? What? This thing didn't do anything. What in the world? Alright, let's try this again. Let's try this again. Try these out. Happy 4th of July! Oh!
That was cool!
Maybe all right.
That's cool! The one's still going off! Wow!
Alright, that's it. That's the end of the amazing fountains right here. Amazing fountains. They were duds. They were duds, basically. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and slide these over here. Right there. Go ahead and crack these over right here. Hold one. Hold it. Light it.
Yeah! I can't stay still.
Hold it. Oh! Like to burn fire. Little fireball. Look at that.
Look at that little fire.
Yeah.
Oh, see that little spark? Oh!
Do a dance around the fire.
It's still fire.
Still got a fire on it?
Oh, y'all missed it.
What is this supposed to be, a forest fire?
Yeah.
That's how people cooked dinner back in the old days when they didn't have stoves. They light firecrackers, put it in dirt.
There was no firecrackers in those days.
They didn't have firecrackers back in those days.
No.
Yeah, let's light another one. Put another one in that fire. Put another one in there. Like, in there.
Somebody talking at us. Oh, no.
Man, that was stinky. Look at the fire on here. Look at that.
Oh, that's sticking in the middle. Oh.
What happened to it?
Is it dead?
It went out.
Woo! Woo, man. No, I like centerfires. Look at that fire, y'all. There's another one. Oh, I thought that was just a regular fire.
Look at that, man. That's a major fire coming out of there. There's another one right on there.
Oh, almost set to a fire. This girl almost set to a fire, y'all. Oh! Now you'll get... It's even hot.
Let's try that one more. Let's try it. Oh, good. Alright, it's my turn. Let's do it with me. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Off my head, off my head.